Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on call recording in Android step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the phone app. You can easily find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, once you're inside the phone app, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner. This is the menu button. Tap on it to open more options. Step 3. Now, from the menu that appears, scroll down and find the Settings option. Tap on it to enter the Call Settings menu. Step 4. Inside the settings, look for the section called Call Settings. Once you find it, locate the Record Call option and tap on it. Step 5. Now you'll see a setting called Auto Record Calls. This option is usually turned off by default. Step 6. To enable call recording, simply tap on the toggle button next to Auto Record Calls. Once you turn it on, your phone will automatically record calls from now on. And that's it. You have successfully enabled call recording on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.